So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Fastrans logistics WordPress theme in just $3 with lifetime update and license key enabled. So you see this my update tab, here you will get each and every update, so you don't have to worry about any single update. So I'm gonna purchase this and I will install it in my website, and I will show you how you can also purchase this and install it in your website. Here you have to fill your basic details. Now you see this, after the payment will be done, you will get these files. When the payment will be done, you will get these files. The first one you see, this one is the theme file, main theme file, and the second one is the child theme file, and you see this third one. This one are the required plugins file. It's done. So now I will install it. Appearance, themes, add new theme, upload theme, choose file, install now. Installed successfully. Activate. Now see this, it's done. It's successfully installed and activated.